Yeah, and this next step about to happen on Monday, fittingly during Parkinson's Awareness Month. Now, as you just heard or may have already known, there is no cure for Parkinson's. The disease is progressive. It attacks the central nervous system, and it's just devastating for those who have it and heartbreaking to watch somebody go through it. But treating the symptoms can make life with Parkinson's a lot easier, and that's where a partnership between William & Mary and VCU comes in. They are developing a treatment for a symptom called freezing of gait, and that's basically a pause while walking that can lead to falling. And because it's involuntary, it's not only dangerous, but stressful not knowing when it's going to happen. So the team in Williamsburg is developing a wearable tech to sense when the freeze is going to happen. Vibration therapy, which VCU is working on, can then come in and be applied to help patients unfreeze. This research is personal for those involved.
My late grandmother actually had very severe Parkinson's. She had freezing, incredible hand tremors. So it is actually a personal thing for me.
So we want everybody to be able to benefit from that, no matter you're in hospital, at home, or even you're walking outside, because our device is portable.
So I mentioned the next phase of the research starts Monday. It's actually phase 2, and that's going to be collecting data from a group of Parkinson's patients and then applying vibration therapy to their feet. And then after a couple of years, the hope is to test the technology in the real world. So this is definitely moving along. I mean, overall, it's about 4 years that this is going to be happening, but it's going to make a difference for a lot of people.
Yeah. This is really cool and affects our community in a lot of ways. This is something that could potentially benefit a lot of people. Is there a timeline for this tech?
Well, I know that after phase 2, which is going to take a couple of years, phase 3 is going to be actually trying to test this out in malls and in the public. They're also going through a patent process. So they're working on this right now, hoping to find a manufacturer to mass produce these sensors. And the cost that they are shooting for is just $10. Wow. So you think about, something that is impacting so many people, and so often you hear concerns about just medical costs being so high for folks. $10 is pretty manageable.
That's huge.
All right, emphasis.